Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to pay Rogers bank credit card bill. So guys, to pay online, just follow the steps on this video and it will help you this video. So guys, this is the credit card on Rogers bank. To pay online with your MasterCard guys or credit card, what you have to do, you can pay credit card as one time recurring payment through online, or you can use telephone or your mobile app banking, and you can select Rogers Bank MasterCard as your pay. And if you want to use a Persona, you can use the Persona at most Canadian financial institutions. By pre-authorized, you can debit from any checking account at any Canadian financial institution, and just click here guys and you will directly to your this page guys, and you can follow. And so guys, the by mail, you can make a check PayPal to Rogers Bank with your account number on the front of the check. You can use the Rogers Bank. You can use books 40 2020 stations. This is the address. Payment should be made by Canadian currency. So guys, just follow the steps. You can pay a credit card your bill. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, down below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible.